like you have a password or something to put calendars together. I think she just sends the link like by DM. Yeah, we're gonna answer just like 2 or 3 questions because we do that every episode. So make sure you follow our account. Hi guys, it is 5:50 in the morning and I wake up at 5:30. As you saw, I just throw on clothes, brush my teeth, get some coffee, and then I'm out the door. The kids live not even 10 minutes away, like 8 minutes away. I'm going to get 2 kids on the bus, so I'm not gonna film that obviously, but that's where I'm headed this morning, and they get on the bus at 7:30 and then I will be headed back home. So let's go to work. So, the first bus was actually late today. I thought I was going to have to drive her to school because it usually comes at 7:17 and it came at 7:24. So, but it came, so that's good. And then I usually just text their mom and let her know that they are all set. And now I'm gonna head home and wake Dylan up if he's not already awake, and then we're gonna go to the gym. Well, we're gonna have breakfast and then we're gonna go to the gym. Good morning, Buffy. Workout done. Babe, the car's right here. So now we're heading home. I think it's like 10, right? 9:57.
Yep.
Gonna shower, go to work. Alright, I am ready now for work. I might go have, what time is it? It's 11:15. Thinking about having lunch here before I leave because I have to leave at 12. Alright guys, this is the lunch situation. I have my overnight oats in here. I'm actually gonna put them in a bowl. And then I'm gonna do some sliced strawberries, some blueberries, half a banana, a little bit of granola, and a little bit of peanut butter. So I'm gonna put that all together and I will show you the finished product. This is the finished product. I just have all those things with the oatmeal on the bottom, and it's so good. Alright, so I just finished my oatmeal, and now I am headed to leave for work. Well, I'm headed to work, but I'm getting ready to run out the door. I just need to put my shoes on. Okay, I'm gonna make this quick because this music is going on, but I made it to work, and it's gonna be super dead, I think. I was talking to someone, and they did not do much yesterday, so it's gonna be dead. Also, I really want to get one of our sweatshirts. I hope I don't get copywritten for this music. I really want to get a sweatshirt. Alright, I am out of work now. It's almost 4:30, and we're going to the bank because I need a check for tomorrow to get my car.
Woo!
And then we're gonna go home and have dinner.
Taco Tuesday.
It's Taco Tuesday.
It's Taco
We
Tuesday.
are making dinner.
Hello.
What you making?
Some tacos.
Tacos.
So
We have
Taco
peppers
Tuesday.
and onions going. Yum. Here we just have some salsa, which we're almost out of, so we have another. Dylan likes sour cream and cheese, and he has his wraps and I have my wraps. Yep. So we're gonna eat, and then probably, what do we do after dinner, babe?
I don't know, I got something in my eye.
Oh.
After dinner,
Mm-hmm.
well, I go and play video games, and you normally watch YouTube.
So that's the rest of our night. I hope you enjoyed today, day in my life.
Like
This
and
is my life.
subscribe, yo. Hit it. Hit that button.
Yeah, like you said. And see ya in the next video.
Boom.
Bye.